Hey everyone, today we're diving into a detailed review of the Makita BL1850B 18V LXT lithium 5 amp battery. Whether you're a professional looking for that extra power boost or a DIYer enthusiast needing longer run times, this battery might just be what you need. So let's just jump straight into it. Alright, first up, let's talk about what makes this battery stand out. The BL is part of Makita's 18V LXT lineup, and with a 5 amp capacity, it's designed to deliver longer run times and faster charging. This means you can tackle those big jobs without constantly stopping to recharge. Alright, some key features that really set this battery apart. So its high capacity of 5 amp, perfect for extended use. It charges fully in under 45 minutes when used with the Makita Rapid Optimum Charger, minimizing your downtime. It's also got a built with Makita Star Protection computer controls, which protect against overloading, over discharging and overheating, a really cool feature. It also includes a handy LED charge indicator at the front here, so you always know just how much juice you have left. Despite its high capacity, it's compact and lightweight, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Now let's talk about performance. Users love the Makita BL for its consistent power output even during demanding tasks. Its high capacity allows for extended run times, and the fast charging keeps your tools ready when you need them. And when it comes to durability, this battery is built to last. It's rugged enough to handle tough job site conditions with durable housing and advanced cooling systems. Alright, like any product, it has pros and cons. On the plus side, you get long run times and quick charging. It offers reliable performance even under heavy load. It's compatible with over 275 tools in the Makita 18V lineup, and it's designed to withstand rough conditions. And what I've noticed on the downside, it's a bit pricey compared to lower capacity batteries, and while it's relatively lightweight, it's heavier than some other options. In conclusion, the Makita BL1850B 18V LXT lithium 5 amp battery is a powerhouse. It's perfect for those who need longer run times and reliable performances in tough conditions. Whether you're a pro or serious DIY, this battery is a solid investment for your toolkit.